Star Trek. Did you expect that? I don't think any of you suggested that as a costume, but that's what I decided to do. I got blue, which I think was science officer. I probably should have got red, but y'all know what that means. So I was just like, no, not doing the red shirts. Not doing that. Either way, happy Halloween. I'm so glad you stopped by the neighborhood. Maybe you're trick-or-treating a little bit today. So maybe this will be a nice little sweet treat for you. So, as this is airing, if things go to plan, I'm probably an airplane coming back home to the States from Mexico, vacation with my mom, and hopefully I won't be too sunburned or too tired or anything like that. But right now, we got to get into this. So, Blind Melon, No Rain. You guys, you know this song. I know this song. This is a great song. So I just want you to listen with me to this because it's just so good. You know, there are songs that I forget about. You know, it's like, oh my gosh, why have I not listened to that song?
I just want someone to say to me, no, I'll always be there when you wait. You know I like to keep my cheeks dry today. So stay with me and I'll have it made. And I don't understand why I sleep all day. Then I start to complain that there's no rain. And all I can do is read a book to stay awake. And it rips my life away, but it's a great escape. Escape.
Oh,
Escape.
so good. So good. You know what? I haven't heard it on headphones yet. So this is my first with hearing it on headphones. And you guys, the layering on here is amazing. Such good recording.
Escape. All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. You don't like my point of view, you think that I'm insane.
You know what? I never noticed how good the guitar is on this before. Wow. You know, if you actually take the time to listen to a song, like really listen, there's so many layers of things to appreciate.
It's not sane. It's not sane. I just want someone to say to me, no, I'll always be there when you wait. You know I like to keep my cheeks dry today. So stay with me and I'll have it made. I'll have it made.
what's neat about this song is it makes me feel like it could have been made in the 70s. There's something about the tone of his voice, the construction of the song, the feel, you know what I mean? It feels very late 60s, early 70s, which, I mean, that kind of flies considering it was, the 90s, because there was a lot of a resurgence of those types of sounds. So, yeah, Blind Melon, that was a great suggestion. Thank you so much. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy your day. Have a great time, and yeah, I'll be seeing y'all when I see ya.